Hey guys, it's Lyric back again with another YouTube video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create an Amazon baby registry. So first we're going to go to Safari, maximize that screen. Then we're going to type in Amazon. You know it's already autocorrected in there because your girl stay on Amazon. And then you're going to go to the Hello Lyric tab or whatever your name is. You're going to go down to baby registry. Everybody has this on their list. So then you're going to see all the stuff, It's going to say free welcome box, universal registry, completion discount. It's going to tell you a lot of different things. So again, just get on there when you have some free time, whenever you want to create that baby registry. So then you're going to click the link. Then it's going to open up to, okay, what's your expected arrival date? When is your baby going to be here? When is the day your life is going to change forever? Add that bundle of joy. So I just click some random date. Is this my first baby? No. We already have baby Carter. It's going to input your address. And then make sure you're reading all the details and stuff. So that's about the diaper fund, telling you how many diapers you're going to change within the year, and how much money it's going to cost. So I just click yes on Amazon gift cards, yes on diaper registry. Make sure that your registry is public. Maybe you want to keep it private just in case you're not there yet. You want to finalize it first. But make sure it's public so that way you can share it. People can find you. Then you're going to input that link. Boom, create baby registry. Let it load real quick. And you're going to see all this magical Amazon goodness load up on your screen. So you're going to have registry checklist and then list and recommendations. So the registry checklist is going to say car seats, stroller accessories. It's going to go by different tabs on your checklist. What do you need for baby? So then it's going to give you all the Amazon goodies for that specific thing that you've selected. So all the different car seats you're going to have. All the brands are going to be displayed, and boom, just click that yellow button. You already know what to do. Add it to registry, boom. And then you just keep going by those tabs. So we're on Stroller Accessories now. What do you want to put on your stroller? Different toys, different organization tools. It's pretty much fun. It's greatness on Amazon, specifically for your baby. You're just going to keep clicking that yellow button whenever you want to add anything to your registry, okay? So keep going with that, and you can see all the different stroller accessories, all the different travel systems, and then you're going to go to shop list and recommendations. Let's see something a little bit different. So then you can see what other people and blogs, different celebrities have put on their registry. So we're going to click on one random one, most popular baby registries. And you can see it's not going by a category. It's going by everything baby at this point. So we're just adding a bottle warmer. We got one of my good girlfriends. She graciously bought us a wipe warmer. I was so happy about that. And baby Carter is so bougie now. He will not take a cold wipe to his butt. So we're just going and adding all the different things, the bottles, and click the details tab. Read up on the things that you putting on your baby registry. This is the human that you created. You want to make sure you get the best for them, okay? So even from the details page, you can still add to the registry. So now we're going to view the registry. You can see 36 weeks to go, 8 total things, and how many has been purchased. Again, making sure your registry is public so people can find you. And then you can see we clicked on offers and benefits. I already got my welcome box with baby Carter. And it's just different promo items that they want to send you in like travel size. Registry completion discount. So at a certain point on your registry, the closer you get to your due date, you'll be eligible for certain prizes and gifts and things like that. So sharing your registry. Of course, you created this big registry. Who else is going to see it? So making sure you are highlighting that link, copying and pasting it. Yeah, it took me a little second to get it all together. And copying that link, and then you could always go to messages in Safari or mail, want to email it out, something more official, or just copy and paste that link in your iMessage. So now we're going to view the registry. What do we all have? And you can see, again, at the top, it's going to create really fun and exciting things where you want to add more items, the diaper fund, welcome box, diaper discount, and of course, sharing that registry. So once you view registry, you can see all of the things that you've added to your specific registry, okay?